All right, let's go over another one very popular. We're going to hit the big wrench at the top, edit dashboard, grab our little divider, grab our H for header, put it right there, and we're going to call this one pie and funnel. Okie dokie. I'm going to say save. I'm going to grab any one of these prior charts, does not matter. Hit save as, and let's do this one pie chart. Hit save. Okay, we're going to hit that chemistry beaker and we're going to go to chart types. We are going to go to pie and funnel, pick on pie. Now, I'm not going to put date in here. I'm going to get rid of date. Let's put in portfolio company for pie name. And this is very straightforward, right? It shows you, hey, look, here are your different companies and here is how much money they're making. Everybody knows what a pie chart is. And this is okay to do, but let me show you some other funky things we can do. I'm going to ask you to go to legend actually. And in legend, I'm going to ask you to display the value and percentage. And now what you can see is you can see not only here is the count of revenue or the amount of it, but here is the distribution of how much it is contributing. These are all roughly equal, so that's why it's happening. What if I want to change this pie chart type though? What if I want to not even have a legend, but move all that stuff in here? No problemo. We're going to go to data label setting. And here, the default is this percentage symbol value. So if I hit this plus sign and I say name, I could do colon, I could do a dash, whatever I want. Hit the plus, I could do value. I could do a forward slash again, or I could do whatever I want. I could hit the plus again and do percent of total. There we go. Now I don't need the legend anymore. I can hide this legend. And here's my pie. And this shows me here's the company that I'm looking at. Here's how much revenue they've done. And here's their distribution of how much I want to show. So that is a basic pie chart. We're going to say save and close. Okay, let's do another fun one. We're going to put the fun in funnel. We're going to hit this chemistry beaker, go to pie and funnel, and we're going to pick funnel. Beautiful. Now, I'm not really going to do anything to this. So what this is showing you is this is showing you, hey, if these are the order of steps, here's where they start to go down. So company D is starting off with here's how much revenue we have. We should actually probably change this because it's kind of confusing. I'm going to get rid of portfolio company on sorting and it automatically, now I'm going to take sum of revenue and put that in sorting again by descending just so you could see. Okay, let's pretend that each of these companies was actually steps. Okay, so you can see here, okay, here's the top of the funnel. We made $894,000 in that funnel. And then maybe we were able, company C was able to keep 881 of that. And then maybe the next company was able to keep 759,000 of that. And then maybe the next one. So that's what we can start to do with this funnel. What we really use this is in marketing, like showing impressions, clicks, conversions, orders, all that type of stuff that we want to do here. Now, there is a little trick you could do with this. If I go to general, series height, we can choose, do we want the height of each color to be based on value? Do we want it to be evenly distributed where I don't care about what the value is? This makes it actually easier to read. Or do I want to do logarithmic, which changes the height really dependent on the value put in there? I have found that even the evenly distributed actually works fairly well because it's just easier to read. But whatever, you can change it. This is a big hit all the time. We're going to say save and close. Go to card practice, go to the bottom, beautiful, big wrench, and drag those two in there. So there you go, your favorite foods, pie and funnel cakes.